Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will talk about which one is better, YouTube channel or network marketing like joining companies such as Forever Living, Amway, etc. I'm telling you my personal belief. I do not guarantee that it will also work for you or something. So basically, if you join such companies like Amway or Forever Living and other network marketing companies, first you need to buy something from them, and then after you have to create a team, then you will get commission and bonus and discount on the products. It also depends on how many members you are making, what is your team strength. Suppose you are having a 40 members in your team, then you will earn more than if you are having only 30 members. So it all depends on your network. On the other hand, in the YouTube channel, it is free to start. You do not need to buy any product or something. You can do it using your mobile phone also that you are already using. You need not to spend any single thing, and if your videos are successful, then you will have to have the opportunity to monetize your channel and earn commission based on the ads that are being shown on your channel. But the main advantage of YouTube over these companies is that you do not need to pay anything. You do not need to buy first. You just have to start right away. And one more important thing, if you do not working if you stop working for companies like Amway, Forever Living, etc., then your team members leave or something, then your income will drops. And apart from that, there is some restrictions I have seen in other video, that you need to buy around 60,000 rupees of purchase every month from the companies like Forever Living if you want to earn your team commission, unless you want to be get paid based on your team. So there is too much headache, plus there are people who are selling the product the amount like on 60 to 70% discount in the market by doing undercutting of their commission and other things. My personal belief is, if you kind of make like 1000 videos on your YouTube channel, it will hardly take you 1 year or something. And if your content is good, you're getting likes, views, subscribers, you can monetize your channel, or you can even pay to some companies, but it is not the right way. You can pay to some companies like amount like 5 to 6,000. They will help you monetize your channel without doing anything. Then you will, after you get monetization, you can just earn money right away after on each views you get and all the things you get. I'm talking about if you make 1000 videos, then it will take 5,000 or 6,000 rupees. But if you want to start from scratch or something, you need to have something like 10,000 complete monetization prospect or something. But believe me, if you make the videos, you won't need 10,000 rupees. Half the work is already being done for you by yourself. But if you monetize your channel using the other way, that may not be right for some people, you will still earn. And the one thing is, there is nothing that will be cut off from your payout or something. You do not need to pay 60,000 every month to get your commission or something. You just have to just sit and relax after making more than 100, 200, 300, 400 or even 1000 videos. Then you do not need to do anything. Your views will automatically get upgraded. It also depends on the type of channel you are having. If you are having a news channel, then you need to update it every day, because nobody likes to watch the news that has been passed out. Everybody likes watching latest news. Or if you are having some technology channel, you can also work on latest technologies. Otherwise, you can have educational content, like books will remain same, the people will try to read it again and again. It's just one time work. You do not need to bother about working again and again and making videos. Even if you're having other types of channels that I have talked earlier, There you can also make money. It is not that if somebody is like watching only latest videos, the old videos also get views, but there are less views, so your profit will decline over a long period of time. So better to have a channel that has a forever content, like comedy videos that are forever. Like you can also make educational content. Books are not gonna change easily, they will forever. You can create audio books, they're gonna remain on your channel. You can even start a religious channel that will never fade away, kind of thing. You can share your opinions and other things. You can do these kind of work on YouTube and earn money. Talking about myself, my channel is not monetized yet, but I hope it will get monetized after some time. So if you like my comparison, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a like. Thank you for watching. Hope you're having a good day.